Learning English speaking is not difficult if you use the right method. One of the best methods is shadowing practice. In this guide, you will learn step by step how to improve your speaking skills. You will learn how to listen, repeat, and speak like native speakers. Each topic is simple, practical, and easy to follow. If you practice every day, your English will become more natural and fluent. Let's start your journey to confident English speaking. 1. What is shadowing and how it works in real learning? Shadowing means you listen and repeat English at the same time or right after you hear it. It helps your mouth learn natural English sounds. You are not just studying, you are training your speaking skills. This is how native speakers learn when they are young. For example, you hear, "How are you?" and you repeat, "How are you?" immediately. Another example is, "I'm fine, thank you," and you copy it. A third example is, "Let's go," and you say it with the same feeling. If you do this every day, your English becomes faster and more natural. You will feel progress step by step. 2. Choosing the right native English audio. YouTube, podcasts, movies. You need good English audio to practice shadowing. Choose simple and clear speaking. Don't start with very fast movies. Start with YouTube videos for beginners or daily life conversations. For example, a cafe conversation like, "Can I get a coffee?" is perfect. Another example is a podcast where people speak slowly about life. A third example is a short movie scene with simple dialogue like, "Let's eat." Good audio helps you learn correct English. It also makes learning fun and easy. You will enjoy practice more every day. 3. How to start shadowing with very short sentences, a 1 to A2 level. Start small. Do not try long sentences at the beginning. Short sentences are easier for your brain. For example, "I like coffee" is a good start. Another example is, "This is my bag." A third example is, "I want water." Repeat each sentence many times. Say it slowly first, then say it faster. This helps your mouth remember English sounds. You will feel more confident step by step. Small success gives big motivation. 4. Matching pronunciation, stress, and intonation like natives. Native speakers do not speak like robots. They stress some words and lower others. You should copy this. For example, "I really like it," put stress on really. Another example is, "I want coffee now," with strong emotion on coffee. A third example is, "What are you doing?" with rising tone. Listen carefully and repeat. Try to feel the rhythm, not just words. This makes your English sound more natural and alive. It is like music training for your voice. 5. Copying emotion and tone, not just words. English is not only words, it is also feeling. You must copy emotion when you shadow. For example, "That's amazing," said with excitement. Another example is, "Oh no," said with disappointment. A third example is, "Really?" said with surprise. Try to match the speaker's mood. Smile when they smile. Sound serious when they are serious. This helps you speak like real native speakers. People will understand you better and enjoy talking with you. 6. Shadowing with slow speech versus fast speech practice. Start with slow speech first. It helps you understand every word. For example, slow audio like, "How are you?" is good. Then move to normal speed like, "How are you?" Finally, try fast speech like, "How are ya?" This is real English. Another example is, "I am going to," "I'm gonna." A third example is, "What do you want?" "What do you want?" Step-by-step training makes your brain stronger. Do not rush. Progress is more important than speed. 7. Using subtitles correctly. When to turn them on or off. Subtitles can help, but do not depend on them too much. At first, use subtitles to understand meaning. For example, read "Can I help you?" while listening. Another example is "Where is the station?" with text support. A third example is "I'm hungry." Then turn subtitles off and try shadowing. This helps your ears improve. You will stop reading and start listening. This is important for real conversations. Slowly, your brain learns to understand without reading. 8. Recording yourself and comparing with native speakers. Recording your voice is very powerful. You can hear your mistakes clearly. For example, record, "I want a coffee." Then compare with a native speaker. Another example is, "Nice to meet you." Listen to both versions. A third example is, "Where are you going?" Check your pronunciation and rhythm. Do not feel shy. This is training, not performance. You will improve faster when you hear yourself. Every day you become closer to native speech. 9. Common mistakes beginners make when shadowing. Many students make mistakes when they start. One mistake is speaking too slowly and not following rhythm. Another mistake is only reading words, not listening. A third mistake is stopping too often. Shadowing must be smooth. For example, do not stop after every word. Try full sentences like, "I'm going to school." Keep moving. Do not worry about perfection. Mistakes are part of learning. The goal is progress, not perfection. Keep going every day. 10. Daily 10-minute shadowing routine for fast fluency improvement. You do not need many hours. Just 10 minutes every day is enough. First, choose a short audio like, "Can I get a coffee?" Then listen and repeat 5 times. Next, try without looking at text. For example, say, "I would like a sandwich." Then repeat, "That's awesome," with emotion. Finally, review your recording once. This simple routine builds strong speaking skills. If you do it every day, your English will grow fast. Small daily practice creates big results. Great job for learning step by step. Shadowing is a powerful way to improve your English speaking. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need daily practice and confidence. Start small. Practice every day. And never be afraid of mistakes. Slowly, you will notice that your speaking becomes more natural and fluent. Keep going. Your English journey is just beginning.